Welcome back to another big match between Portugal versus Japan. The match has been started. Beautiful pass. Pedro is now leading the ball. Nicely pass, but the defender was there. Huda. Nicely pass to Morita. Mitoma. Nicely dodged by Pedro. Cristiano Ronaldo this time leading the ball. Nicely passed to Pedro. This time Ronaldo hit and defended by the goalkeeper. There will be corner kick. Nicely clear. Chance. Beautifully picked by the goalkeeper. 14 minutes have been passed. Still, both team players putting their full efforts to achieve the goal. Nicely passed. Kubo leading the ball. This time Japan hit and nicely picked by the goalkeeper. Cristiano Ronaldo. This time beautiful pass to Pedro. Again Ronaldo leading the ball. Hit and defended by the goalkeeper. Vitinha. Kubo again leading the ball. At the start of the game, Portugal is attacking over Japan again and again, but still could not achieve the goal. Japan is trying their best to defend, but they have to make the strategy to attack. Nicely hit, but outside of the ball. This kind of attack that Japan needs. 34 minutes have been passed. Still Portugal 0, Japan 0 as well. Fernandes. Ronaldo this time. Beautiful touch. Kubo. Nicely passed. Ritsu. Vitinha. Nicely clear. Rafael. Again Ronaldo. Nicely passed to Pedro. Pedro this time again leading the ball. Whether they will achieve the goal? No. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, Portugal is tried their best to attack again and again to achieve the goal. Bruno Fernandes passing to Ronaldo. Directed and defended by the goalkeeper. This is the third time that the goalkeeper is defending. Nicely passed. Vitinha passing to Bernardo Silva. Hit and goal. Just after 52 minutes, Bernardo Silva did magnificent goal. Beautifully executed by the Silva. No mistake, directly hit to the net. Here is a recap. And he did it. Beautifully executed. Portugal 1, Japan 0. Portugal is now leading by 1 goal. And that will make a huge pressure over Japan, because Portugal is already attacking at the start of the game. Now this is the big reason, as they got the goal. They are now leading by 1 goal. Ritsu this time making a strategy, passing to Yuda. Beautiful pass. Directed and again hit Mitoma. Goal. Mitoma executed magnificent goal. First time missed, but the second time beautifully executed. That is appreciated goal done by Mitoma. Here's a recap. First time touch to the pole, but the second time magnificent attempt. Just after 64 minutes, both teams are on equal points, Portugal and Japan. Bruno Fernandes passing to Ronaldo. Direct it and goal. Just after the 67 minutes, Ronaldo did magnificent goal. 2 goals in just 10 minutes. Magnificent goal. That is awesome. Beautiful pass and Ronaldo magnificently did it. Portugal 2, Japan 1. Portugal is now leading by 1 goal. Takumi again passing to Yuda. This is a chance. Ritsu again. Beautiful pass to Kubu. Chance, but the ball is outside of the line. Ronaldo, nicely passed to Rafael. Nuno Mendes leading the ball. Dalot. Beautiful pass to Vitinha. Chance, Mitoma this time hit and defended by the goalkeeper. That was the golden chance for Mitoma. There is a corner kick. Kubu is ready to hit the ball. Hit and nicely defended by Pedro. Ronaldo this time leading the ball. Only 5 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. Ronaldo, beautiful pass to Silva. Whether they will take a chance, defend it. Robin Diaz. Again Ronaldo. Direct hit outside of the ball. Beautiful pass. Kubu. The time is over. Portugal 2, Japan 1. Portugal won this match.